Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Euler's method helps us approximate complex curves quickly. Watch this fast breakdown as we solve for the final value using 3 simple steps in 60 seconds.
Start at x equals 1 and y equals 0. The slope is x divided by y plus 2, which is 1/2. Multiply by the step size of 1/2. Now move to x equals 1.5. The new slope is 1.5 divided by 2.25, which simplifies to 2/3. Add that value. Finally, add 1/4 and 1/3. Finding a common denominator of 12 gives us 7/12, which matches our target option perfectly. You got this. Great job today. Clear win! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't skip the step size or get the wrong y value. Always apply Euler's rule.